This is an HP Envy desktop, and I'm going to add this T-Force Vulcan 4TB SSD SATA drive. Okay, so to take the case off, one Torx bit screw, and then to take the front cover off, these 3 tabs, rock it out a little bit and it should just slide off. And that a little bit of tension there. The optical drive is in the way, so we're gonna gently unplug that. Keep those over here. Press the release lever and slide the optical drive out. This drive cage is held by one screw on this side. And it should just lift out. And there's no screw hole for the 4th one. An assembly in the reverse order. This end goes in first at an angle. There's 3 holes here for these 3 tabs. This screw goes back in here to lock it down. Slide the optical drive back in until it locks. Reconnect the serial cable and the power cable for the optical drive. There's a keyway on the side of the SATA connector. That's how you know which way to plug it in. There's a key on the outside for the power connector. Okay, then we put this cage back in. There's 3 tabs on this end. It's got a little tab that tucks underneath over there. And then Torx screw on this side. Lock it all together to brace it. Front cover should just, the bottom goes in at a little bit of an angle. And then the top should just clip back on. Case top slides in. And 1 screw. Go have fun with your tools, and let's go see if this works. Hold it.